I'm going to show you how you can get an RDP or RDP which is based in South Africa. Well, to show you that I'm using a South African RDP, I've opened up this browser and pass our IP, and we detect whether this server is based in South Africa or not. And you can see that our server is based in Cape Town. Welcome to this channel. My name is pubg, and let's get started. There are many servers, or there are many server providers which you can try out, but the only server provider which I believe I've tested and I've proved that it can give you the server based in South Africa, and it is RDP. So far, for right now, all I know is Amazon. And how can you get the Amazon account? You feel free, just go to open your browser and type in aws.amazon.com. that is Amazon Web Hosting Services.amazon.com. And you select sign up or sign in. When you select sign in, but what you need to do is to select sign up. When you sign up with them, they'll give you a 1-year account where you try out your hosting services, and you'll be given some credit for you to try out. So after you signing up, all you need to do is to come and select services. If you're an Android user, and you select EC2, after that, you select launch instance. You select window, you select search. You search for Windows. You select any Windows image which you prefer based on the requirements which you want. But I'm going to go for this. You choose the kind of the specifications of the PC you want, and based on the package which you have. So me, I'm going to go for this. I need 8 GB RAM and 4 CPUs. You click add storage. You add the storage which you want of that disk to be, but to me 30 GB is enough, but you can go up to 100. Click next, 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 launch. You choose the key which you want, or you can create a new one. Launch instance, view instance, don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. Don't forget to share this video to all your friends so that you can also get to know this content. Well, hope you see we're having our RDP running smoothly. You copy the IP of the server. You open your preferred desktop client. I'm going to use because I need to manage my server. You paste the IP. You paste the IP there, login credentials. You add your login credentials. After that, all you need to do is select connect. You connect your servers. Hope you can see that all my servers are running very smoothly, and the one we've created for South Africa, it is also running smoothly. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. Don't forget to share this video to all your friends so they can get to know all this.